Hi! So, what about wallets? In one of my previous videos, I showed how I bought 6 wallets from Alibaba and shipped it to my country. You can check it out by the link below this video. And now it's time to sell it and see what happens.
It is written here, genuine leather. Let's see, a sample. So yes, it's genuine leather, that's good.
It is made by me. Just compare the photo of wallet on Alibaba, then the seller sent me in WhatsApp, and then the wallet in real life. It's China, bro. Just look. Okay, doesn't matter. I will sell wallets through the Craigslist, but for my country, as I did with fake AirPods. So I took photos of wallets, edited them, did some photoshopping. After that, I quickly realized that these photos are not good for selling. So I tried to do it better. And now, as for me, it looks so much better, so beautiful, bright, and like you wanna buy it. Also, I will put a multi-tool inside the wallet as a gift. I think it's a pretty good idea.
Okay.
So finally, I uploaded this on the Craigslist already and bought advertising for 30 days. By the way, 2 clients ordered wallets before I bought it on Alibaba, but the shipping was so long because of coronavirus. The long time passed, and who knows, will they buy now or no? So guys, now I'm going to write to my customers who have previously bought wallets, and we'll see if they buy or not.
A few moments later.
2 clients confirmed the order, and today I will sell 2 wallets.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Let's go.
So now I'm packing first wallet for selling, and I put multi-tool as a gift. Yes, so let's go. Second wallet. And what the fuck is that?
Second wallet done. Waiting for payment. What's up guys, and what about third wallet? I have recently received a message from the potential buyer, and it was like that. I want your wallet without a gift. Gift, it is a multi-tool which I usually put inside the wallet and sell it together. And I agreed. You know why? Because it's a business. Let's go to the post. This is a video review that I sent to my potential customers. Guys, and I recently bought one interesting thing that will increase the quality of my future videos, and now I have just taken it from local post. Let's see what it is and test it. And it's microphone. So here's the difference. Now I'm speaking with microphone, and now I speak without microphone. Wallet number 4 I gave to my dad for his birthday as a gift because I couldn't sell it. What's going on guys, and now I'm learning target advertising on Facebook. You can see a bit water, and it's pretty late right now, but I don't care. Only success, only go up. I'm learning target advertising for my future videos where I will be selling goods through dropshipping system in my Instagram shop. Go on. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and smash like button because future videos will be amazing, so interesting and useful. I have 2 wallets left for now, and I couldn't sell it for a pretty long time, so I decided to cut the price, and now I'm going to send wallet number 5. Let's get it. And the last wallet I take it for myself because I couldn't sell it again, so as a result I sold only 4 wallets out of 6 planned and made only $30 in profit. But guys, I'm not disappointed because it's just a beginning and new videos will definitely blow this channel up, and please be sure to check it out the first.